Once you find love, once you feel love, once you know love to be real, once you find love, I think I love you, baby. I think I need you, darling. Yeah. Ooh, to be real. Oh, ooh, your love's for real now. You know that your love is my love. My love is your love. Our love is here to stay. Hey, 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 yeah. What you feel in your heart, to be real. Oh, your love's for real. You know that your love is my love. My love is your love. All love is here to stay. What you feel? What you feel in your heart? Yeah, yeah. To be real.
All right, let us hear from the judges. Let us start with Anthony.
Yeah, I think the problem for me tonight, generally, a lot of these disco songs are long format songs. They're long running songs and they're being squeezed into really a very short time space. You filled in the gap better than most, but there were gaps. It wasn't brilliant, but you didn't do as badly as some of the rest tonight.
Conroy.
Yes, I liked it. I mean, I was a little concerned in the beginning when it just started because some of the notes are a little weirdish, reaching up to them. But vocally, you're strong. So, I mean, I liked it. I see you were trying to do your thing. It looked like kind of, like a kind of robot thing going on. But you tried. I want you to take off the glasses also because we connect with you more when we can see, what's going on. So, but fairly good.
Elaine.
Yes, I agree. I agree with Conroy more than Anthony. Shocking. I loved your vocal styling. Your tone is unmatched by any other person in this competition. Like in my opinion, your tone is it's reminiscent of Michael Jackson, which is crazy because like people always try to do it but can't do it. But then there's so much more that you can do. So it felt like you interpreted the song, the disco, like a Sherlon vibes, which was very cool. And of course, the robotic thing that you're doing is you being yourself, and I appreciate that, and people were excited, and I liked it. Very good way to end the show.
All right, thanks, judges.